Hey guys, it's Brittany, and today I have a wig review from myfirstwigs.com. If you are interested, please stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to start off by showing you guys everything that came in the box. It comes with a lot of different things that makes your application process a lot easier, like clips, bobby pins, elastic, and they also sent me some flyaway tamer. I'm not sure if it comes like standard with every wig, but the flyaway tamer does come in handy, especially if you have straight wigs. Alright, so the wig itself comes in this pink pouch that has a zipper on it, which is really nice for storage. And I'm just going to show you guys the construction of the cap. You do get two combs around the front. You get two combs on the right and left side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps as well. And I'm just going to show you guys how I just quickly flat ironed it and used a hot comb to get the roots a little bit more flat.
Need an apple bum, you gotta put me on.
Now, I have worked with them several times, and this time I'm coming to you guys with a long Yaki textured wig. So I'm just gonna read everything that's on the info card. It's a Yaki texture. It's 20 inches long. I have it in a natural color. So the cap size on this one is a cap size 2, which is 22.5 to 23 inches in circumference. I think my head is 23 inches, so this fits me perfectly. The cap construction is a glueless lace cap, and the lace is light brown. With this one, I wanted to go for something. I love Yaki textured human hair wigs, and I wanted something that was longer because I did a review for this company in July, and it was a short blonde bob. And this company is more expensive than a lot of companies that I work with. And a lot of you were kind of like, I don't know if it's worth it to, spend that much money on a bob. But this wig is a lot longer, so you feel like you get a little bit more money's worth when you have a longer unit. So this wig is 20 inches long, and this is where it falls on me. And of course, I'm 6 feet tall, if you didn't know that. That's where it falls. This is what it looks like in all directions. Alright, so I don't know the density on this wig, but I'll list it in the description box for you guys. But it feels like it's a nice medium density. I feel like it's probably maybe 120, 130. I don't feel like it's 150. It doesn't feel super duper full. Yeah, but it's not but it's not like stringy, like see-through. It's still a full wig, it's just not a super dense, it's not a super dense wig. So I did sew some elastic in the cap, and this wig does come with elastic that you can sew inside your cap for a better fit. I knew I was not gonna be doing any got-to-be glued or anything like that with this application, and I would suggest that to anybody who doesn't want to glue down your wig. So I did get some flyaways with this wig, like with most human hair wigs, especially straight ones. So I used their flyaway tamer. It comes in this little container here, and I just ran it over the top to lay down some of those flyaways. I still have a few of them, but all I have to do is just run it over the top and they lay down. So I haven't gotten any shedding yet, and my hands glide right through it, but of course this is the first time I'm wearing this wig. The luster of it looks very, very natural, and I'm really impressed by the parting space and like the hairline. All I did was add a little bit of powder, but like this front part of the lace looks natural without any powder added. Overall, I think this is very pretty. It feels very nice and soft, and even though this is Yaki, it doesn't feel like it's too coarse. I like the super coarse Yaki textures too, but this one is more of a light Yaki in my opinion. So if you are interested in this wig, head over to myfirstwigs.com. If I have any coupon codes or anything like that, I'll leave those in the description box for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.